Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make a delicious, spicy, sweet and sour salmon with mashed potatoes. Okay, let me show you guys what I have over here. As you can see, here I have my potatoes. Okay, and over here I have my salmon. Okay, and I have my broccolis. Okay, I'm going to have that too. Okay, and here I have my sweet and sour, spicy sweet and sour. Okay, for my salmon. Okay, here I have all my veggies for my mashed potatoes. Okay, let me show you what I'm going to do here. Okay, my pot already warm up. Okay, now I'm going to add some butter. Okay, for my salmon and my broccoli. Okay, this is going to be delicious, guys. So delicious. Okay. All right. Okay, let me give that a minute. Okay, here we're going to start with our mashed potatoes. Okay, let me just do this first to make things easy on me. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start mashing my mashed potato. Okay, not too soft. Okay. Okay, now let's start with our broccoli. Okay, I'm not going to let them cook too much, guys. Okay, because I don't like when my broccoli soft. Okay, I'm adding some Italian spice seasoning and some pepper flakes. Okay, and also I'm going to add some black pepper. Okay, and garlic salt. Okay, not too much. Okay guys, now it's time for my salmon. Okay, what I'm going to do, let me just do that. Okay. All right. Okay. Just let it cook. Let me wash my hands. Okay. What I'm going to do, guys, next, I'm going to add some rosemary. Okay, for my fish, and some lime juice. Okay, not too much. Like I said before, guys, from my previous video, whenever you're making fish, I gotta have some spice to it and my lemon juice, my lime juice. Okay, all right, I'm going to let it cook let me start stirring my broccoli. Okay, like I said guys, I'm not going to let them cook too much. Okay. Alright. Let's finish our mashed potato. Okay, what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to finish that up, and then when we come back we'll add our mayonnaise and everything else. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time to check on our salmon. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, my broccoli is already cooked. Okay, now let me flip in. You see that guys, it looks very nice. Look at that. You know what, let me get a fork. Okay, I have my rosemary, smelling so good in the house guys. Look at that. Okay, all right. Okay, now let's finish with our mashed potatoes. Okay, all right. Okay, I add some butter. Now it's time, I'm going to add my parsley. Okay, and all my veggies. Okay, onion and hot pepper and green pepper. Okay, I'm going to add some black pepper. Okay, since I'm not going to use any regular salt, I'm going to add that garlic salt. Okay, for flavor and salt. Okay, some Italian seasoning. Okay, my mayonnaise. Okay, let me mix it up. Okay, let me add a little bit more. My mayonnaise. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to finish that up, and then when we come back we'll finish our food. Okay, come back. Okay guys, our salmon is done. Now it's time to add the sweet and sour sauce. Okay, it's very spicy guys. Okay, okay guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish them up, and then when we come back everything should be ready. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now everything's ready. Now let's fix our plate. Okay, let me show you. Okay, all right, as you can see, look at my salmon. Okay, I already put my spicy sour sauce and my mashed potato already in the plate. Now let's add our salmon. Okay, I'm going to do that. Okay, let's do that. Okay, that's it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my broccoli. Okay, okay guys, that's it. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some rosemary, like that. Okay. And I'm going to add a little parsley. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it. All right. Now you have it. Look at that. Okay. Okay, guys. That's it. If you guys want to give it a try, go ahead, give it a try. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And remember, have a wonderful day, okay? Bye.